Hi there, hope you're doing well. This short video is on PayPal webhooks and how we can create and test webhooks. So let's get started. Okay, so for webhooks, first of all, you will go into this application or any application if it's a live version or test version. So I'm now in the sandbox version and there is this app in front of me. So to create and test webhooks, you will go into this default application. And inside this we have this sandbox email and password. So let's just start with this and log in with this. We have this webhook section at the end, but this will not trigger unless we do some basic settings. So after logging into the dashboard of exactly this account, this sandbox account, what the user will need is basically create some subscriptions in here. So without the subscription this will not work, and let's do something. Okay, so just come to this URL, sandbox.paypal.com/buttons, and you will see a list of buttons right here. And the one we'll be working on is this smart subscribe. Okay, so just set up anything, it doesn't matter, and create a plan. Best. Okay, after this is done, close this, and in the list you will be able to see this billing plans, this one. This is the plan ID that we will be using. Just copy this and paste it into the app. PayPal pricing plans. Okay, so for now we have just created one plan, so I will be using that on everywhere. Like I will replace both of them with this plan. It doesn't matter. So if you create 4 or more plans, you can list all of them here with different names and different details. For now, I've just created one plan and put them in both the subscriptions. And after this is done, let's see. Okay, so this part is now done, and I will start with this subscription. But for this, I will have to check the testing of the webhooks. So let's have a look at the webhooks. Okay, so now when the plan ID is inside our database with the updated one, and the whole setup is done for the Stripe subscription, we can start with the webhooks. And for this, just create a webhook that we can start listening in the bubble. I've created this subscription updated with PayPal, and I will open these options as well and start detect request data. And after clicking, I can clearly see this trigger link. Let's just go here and add a webhook. And in the webhook we can select subscription ones. Mostly will be all in here. So one is this activated, cancelled, created, expired, and updated. Okay, so for now I'm using just these webhooks, mainly this ones, the cancelled and the updated. That's it. Save. Save it with the URL of the initialize. And okay, it's saving. Now it's saved with the initialize, and what we can do is like let's start testing it. So this is the app we have, and let's have a preview first, then we can detect as well. Okay, so we have a plan right here, and if we click on this plan, okay, we'll need a personal account as well for this. For now, let's just try any account. And this account should be sandbox account. So sandbox has a business account and a personal account, and I've tried with the test version, that is sandbox personal account. Okay, so after the subscription was completed, we can see the response right here, and it has all these kind of information with it. So in the raw data we can see the detailed version with the subscription ID and plan details, status, methods, and URLs. Basically all the information is right here, and this is like a first test that we can do. Okay, so now I updated this webhook of PayPal, and I can use this according to my needs, and I can add all the related workflows based on the events. So if the event is cancelled, I can add a remove data from the user, and if the event is updated, I can add a subscription updated details in the user. Okay, so while setting up these webhooks, we will only need is two events that will make this whole thing work. One is subscription updated, and the other one is subscription cancelled. Okay, so how do we use the subscription updated? So for this, what we will need to do is make changes to a thing, make it user, and add the constraint of request data's plan subscription ID. So This resource ID is the subscription ID. So we will need to compare them. And one other thing, so for this to only work on update, not on create, because we will be creating the workflow and directly subscribing the user to the plan or to the trial. So based on that, it will automatically trigger at the first time, and we will just be updating the plan after every month and every week. So that's it. We will not be updating everything else, just updating after 1 month, after 1 week, or after the 1 year of the plan. So there will be this start time, and it's not equal to request data resources start time. So they should never match, because if they match, this will not work. And if you see one more thing, it's throwing error. So if it's throwing error, just go to this event, go to this detect data type, modify types, and you will see the creation date, and there will be as well a start date. Yes, so make it date. Just convert it to date. Okay, and this will work now. This will not throw error. Yep, it's good. And the next thing that we'll be doing is the changes in the user. So we'll be updating the start time and the end time. So we'll be creating start time is equal to request data start time, and next billing time will be request data um, next. Okay, for now we can leave this. We will only need this start time, and it can work for us. And the other thing will be the subscription. So after 1 month, we will be giving the credits or anything to the user, right? So we can just uh, tokens is equal to, so for tokens we will have to check into current user and selected plan, current PayPal plans, and check for tokens or minutes and assign it here. So it's basically taking the data from the current user as here, and just make it this user, because it's this user already. So we have to do this, and that's it. This is the whole thing. The all the other changes is based on the needs. So if you need some changes on the update of the plan, you can do it here, like the start time, end time, anything else, everything will be updated here. Just okay, so after this, what we'll be needing to do is add a conditional over here, so it only works on updated. And for conditional, we will be using is request data event type is billing. Okay, so this is updated. Okay, so this you can see is billing dot subscription dot updated. What it means is it's inside every event type. So what we have chose is the only updated one. So whenever there is an update webhook triggered, it will come to the bubble app, and it will trigger this event specifically and change the time and the tokens. And it will only work once per month, so it will not work again and again. This update will uh, occur only one time every month, and with otherwise it will not work. And there will be other event that we'll also be using. So the other one will be this cancelled one. So this cancelled one, how it works is it's the same as the request data right here. So the user has the same information, but we will be removing these other constraints. We'll be just focusing on the subscription ID. And if the subscription ID matches the user, then we will remove all these fields one by one from the user, like add canceling and current payment plan and current plan and all of these from the user. And in the end it will clear out everything, and the main thing will be this part. So the request data event type is billing subscription cancelled, because this is like a cancelled event triggered, and if the user isn't able to pay for his subscription, then this event will be triggered automatically, and this will get the user to uh, revoke everything, like every part of the all the tokens and everything will be cleared from the user. So this is how we can set up the main PayPal webhooks, and based on needs, these are customized. Each user has every different um, plans and different scenarios. So this is recommended for some cases only, and this cannot be done on all the cases. So for each cases, different user have different kind of requirements, and based on those, these PayPal webhooks can be automatically adjusted by the users. But you can see we are getting all the webhooks in this part, so we can do all the things here. So this is the main thing, like how this PayPal webhooks works. Thanks for watching this video. Bye. Take care.